The Meghalaya government is planning to adopt the curriculum in line with the Central Board of School Education syllabus in the state. Indicating this, Education Minister Rakang Samma said that this may not be the whole CBSE pattern, but state will adopt certain sections from it which suits the state education scenario. He informed that the government is in the process of implementing the state education policy. According to the minister, the government is also planning to build more infrastructure facilities and employ quality teachers to attract students to schools, as he thinks this will cut the dropout rate.
We are on the process of implementation. On top of that, because we have the national education policy has also come in, so we are not able to implement all one go, but we are on the process. We can say both, because not whole of the education policy, national education policy, is a very vast, comprehensive things. So I think state has designed in such a way that it suits our state education environment. So on top of that, we are incorporating from national education policy.
Maukan Rao legislator Bante